Alright, so here's Clamp Champ. Yeah, I picked this up at Ollie's. They had it, I was waiting for it to go on sale. I've seen it there for a long time. The figures that were in this wave. Why can't they ever put the proper crown on She-Ra? That's why I don't get that so much. That's why I can never find a good She-Ra figure. Or when I do, I don't pick it up because the price isn't right for me and I miss it. But anyways, back to Clamp Champ. Ollie's had a 25% off sale, so its regular $15.99 was dropped 25%. So I decided I would get it this time. So now I'll take them out of the package. Alright, so this is Clamp Champ out of the box. And the figure is actually a really nice figure. I do like it. And the paint on it is done really nicely. And I did already switch to one hand because it came packaged with the open hand. This hand. But I switched it because he does have two weapons. First is this one, which can open up and capture a person. And it does make him heavy forward, going forward. So, yeah, gotta make adjustments like that. Well, next is this weapon. It just has a little flex to it. But I wouldn't try forcing it other than more than that. And that just fit in his hand like that. There we go. Now and comes with a second head sculpt that's like that. It looks like this. Head sculpts are nice. Bring this in so you can see. Now the thing is, this head sculpt looks like he's angry, okay? This one looks like he's just evil. So, I guess take it off and put him on the evil side with this one. I'm gonna go out like that far. Again, go all the way around. Head can go all the way around and up and back and forth. Wrist rotation, or elbow bend and wrist and elbow rotation, and wrist rotation. Just in case I was off camera there. And go out that far. back, up like that, forward, that way, rotation at the boot, ankle bend, foot tilting, knee bend, and some rotation at the knee. I think personally this needed a little piece to keep it and hold it permanently in his hand, like the power swords I had. Or his thumb in a different position. With Skelenite. (2000X) Prince Adam. With this cartoon accurate Teela. Of course, that Teela has my custom sword with it. And now with my vintage, which modified He-Man. Long time ago, I fixed some paint things on it, on that He-Man, and gave it a replacement sword. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I almost forgot. Here's the comic. Alright, now that's it.